1.
Tell me all about how it went.
I wish I could, but I missed it. I got really sick on Friday night. I thought I had the flu, but it turned out to be food poisoning. I was sick all day Saturday, so I couldn't go to the wedding. I thought my cousin would be mad, but she just felt bad that I was sick all day.
2.
Hi, it's Paul. I missed class yesterday. Can you tell me what the homework was?
Oh, sorry. I wasn't there yesterday either. I was on my way to catch the bus when I fell and broke my ankle. One of my neighbors who was on his way to work drove me to the hospital. I'll call Katie and ask her about the homework, and then I'll call...
3.
How did your sister do yesterday?
Well, her team won, but I didn't get to see it. I had just gotten to the soccer field when my boss called. One of my coworkers called in sick with the flu, so he asked me to come in and work.
4.
Well, how did it go on Monday?
You're not going to believe this, but I missed it. I left really early so I wouldn't be late, but I wrote the address down wrong and I couldn't find the office. I was so nervous about the interview that I forgot my phone, too, so I couldn't call them and ask for directions. I was so mad at myself. I really wanted that job.
5.
So how was it?
I don't know, because I missed it. I was so disappointed, and so was my niece. I had flowers and a card to give her, and I really wanted to be there for her special day. But I ran out of gas on my way to the school. Can you believe that? I made it to a graduation party later that evening, but I really wanted to make it to the ceremony.
6.
So was it fun?
Well, I think the people who went had fun, but I had to study for my history test. My friend Kelly went, and she said it was a great party. I hope Sarah has another one for her birthday next year.